we're gonna be filling up this yellow balloon with carbon dioxide. What you need to do is you need to pour 1 tablespoon of baking soda inside the balloon with this funnel. Then you'll need to pour 3 tablespoons of vinegar inside your flask or bottle. As you can see, I have a bulb-shaped flask. Now you have your baking soda inside your balloon and your vinegar inside your bottle. Now you need to put your balloon onto your flask. Make sure not to put any baking soda inside the vinegar. Now you have to put your balloon in 3, 2, 1. The balloon's getting inflated. Whoa, this is so cool! It's epic. The reason the balloon inflated is because when you put the balloon up, because there was baking soda inside the balloon. So the baking soda came in the vinegar that made a chemical reaction making carbon dioxide.
Bye, balloon.
Thank you everybody so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out my Instagram page at Fun with